She's been in-house for 7 days, but today we will go out.
Please.
Wearing masks and bring alcohol to sanitize our hands. This is probably the most unforgettable, painful moment of my life. We book flight ticket to Philippines because we have very important occasion to attend to. And I've been waiting for this moment for so long. But unfortunately, our flight was cancelled. We booked another flight and cancelled again because of coronavirus. As you guys know, we are all facing now in this virus. Originated in Wuhan, China, and South Korea is the number 2 of the highest infected country, where I am at now. That's why right now we are doing some grocery shopping, buying food that can last for longer period of time, emergency food, because we've been told to refrain from going outside the house.
One more.
Huh?
One more.
In my perspective, no wonder why South Korea, the number of infected people rapidly higher day by day. It is because South Korea technology is amazing. They can detect infected people accurately and really fast. Instead of worry because of the number, I see it as a good sign. It is not impossible one day they can able to create a medicine to prevent and cure, or at least fast recovery of infected people. In God's will.
Nana. LOL to.
As of the moment in time, we receive notifications from the government informing us about how we can prevent ourselves from the virus, how many people infected, location of the infected people, and all information that can help us to protect ourselves.
그거 살까?
letting Hennah buy many toys because we don't know when we can go out the house again.
Boy, LOL 싫어. Hennah girl, ya? Hennah girl man 싶어.
I asked Bana to get some coffee, but he didn't.
Amazon. Ay, many toys.